Okay, looking like a chubby brown T Swift. Okay. Oh my god, well my hair is so big I feel like Tori Kelly. It should have been us. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video. It is me as a blonde for a Valentine's Day look. I am feeling the Valentine's Day vibes. I have this beautiful floral top, and for the makeup I am giving you a halo, glitter, wing, smoky eye tutorial with double stack lashes and a nude lip, and I am wearing She Better Work. In today's video I partnered with New Me. I got to use my wig with the New Me 25mm classic curling wand. It's great, and as you guys can see, blonde is I'm so scared to always put heat on my blonde wigs because I don't want it to break, I don't want it to get brittle, I don't want to ruin the wig, so I just curl it once and I'll never curl it again. But this one, I have curled it a couple times with this wand. It's so good. Don't worry, it's not on. And I love it so much. It is so easy to travel with. By the way, I am going to the Philippines. I'll be taking this with me. It's great for traveling. I'll be bringing all my wigs with me and curling them and straightening them. And if you guys want to save money on New Me, be sure to use the discount code PatrickStarrr for 20% off. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this beautiful snatched look, I am giving you full coverage. I am giving you date night realness. Then subscribe to this channel and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. I want to emphasize skin prep. I have been obsessed with skincare just because we're getting older. I am more prone to hyperpigmentation in my skin. I want my skin texture and my skin tone to be like absolute perfection. I'm working towards that. I do not have the most perfect skin, but I am working on it. I have a little boo-boo today, but ignore her. She's not welcome today. We're gonna jump into what I use. All right, first thing, I am using the Tatcha water cream. I saw Jackie raving about water cream. Water creams are life. They just make my skin feel plump, like she said. So I was watching her video yesterday and she made me just want to like douse in like water cream and water gels. And this is what I'm using. It's very pricey. There's other options too, but this is one that I absolutely love, and it's your skin, so I feel like you should invest in your skin. So this is amazing. Now, what I have under my eyes are the Peter Thomas Roth Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrogel Eye Patches. These are great for any date night. So if you are just simply doing your brows, or if you're out the shower, just pop these under your eyes and they will look good. Now, for the lips, I have been obsessed with this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's so delicious on the lips. My friend Andrew's off day recommended it, and it's so rejuvenating, and I like to use it day and night. Alright folks, we popped in some contacts by Desio. They are the Rebel Gray from the Attitude collection, because we got attitude today. We are trying to cop a man. We're trying to find a man. We're just trying to have a man notice me as the eye patches sit here and as I beat my face for 4 hours in hopes of capturing one's attention. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to take the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil and fill them in, but y'all know the drill. It's the same old motion, same old thing. If you guys want to see a tutorial, watch my other videos. But I'm going to jump off and do them really quick. Alright, I know it's a lot of brow. Just take it in. And I'm going to take these off so you can get a better look. Okay, yes. And we're going to move on to foundation. I'm going to take my Lancome Tint Idole 24-hour longwear foundation in 450 SUEN. And I'm going to mix a little bit of Jouer's Caramel. This is very high coverage, but it's thin, and I love a cake face. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I love to cake on my foundation, but this is just so bizarre to me that the Jouer, it's great. Like my friend Steven, who does my makeup sometimes, he loves it on me, and he's like, it's so light, it's full coverage, and I'm like, when I want full coverage, I want to feel the full coverage. So I'm just gonna cake it on today like always, because that's what I prefer. It's all preference. But if you do want something that's full coverage and light wear and also long wear, the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation is great, and it has hyaluronic acid, and it's oil free and it's matte. This is great. So I'm just gonna mix 2 heavy duty foundations with a lot of coverage and smack it on my face. For concealer, I'm going to take my Studio Finish palette. I have 2 of them. I have the light and I have the medium. These are great if you're a makeup artist. They're so fabulous, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of everything, and I'm gonna take a little bit of NW20 and apply this underneath the eye and all over the face. Now is my favorite part. We are going to blend and bounce the booty blender on the face like when you bounce your booty on your man on Valentine's night. Let's get sickening. Where's the logo? We gotta get into this logo. I'm gonna take Patrick's powder by my MAC collection and apply this all over the face. Guys, and I'm putting extra powder because we got a wig, so who knows what makeup. I don't want any cream, liquid, or concealer getting on the lace or on the blonde hair, so I am ensuring that with powder. Holy hell, we are very close, but we're here for the eyes. I am going to take my Goal Getter palette by MAC. Yes, I love it so much. And I'm going to take a little bit of soft brown and Swiss chocolate and run this through the crease. We are gonna go for a slutty, whorish, but cute Valentine's eye. And if you're Filipino or Asian, if you want to contour your nose, doing this first eyeshadow part, because it's a transition color, if you bring it a little bit towards the nose, it will kind of help you start your contour. And that's what I like to do, is bring it all the way in. Because the nose isn't just a feature, because my nose is down here and I always had a problem like contouring my nose, but it just goes into the eye. That's when you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, everyone's nose contour like pretty much goes into their eyebrow. By the way, who are y'all rooting for on Drag Race? I'm rooting for Ben Dela Crayon or Trixie. Love them both.
What about Aja?
Oh, and Aja too. I love Aja. And Valentina. I love that. So next I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush. Love this brush because it's skinny and thick just like me. I'm going to take this into Swiss chocolate, and I'm into it from the Goal Getter palette, and run this across the crease. So I think I'm gonna do a center halo cut crease. I wasn't planning to, but I think just for the drama, because I'm single and I need to like stand out a little bit more. Although I did go on a date, I think it was a date. It was from Bumble, and I was asked to coffee, so we'll see. That's another video. I don't want to get into it, but if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. If you guys are from Periscope and you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know. Periscope is the only place that I will spill all my secrets. And it's pretty much like a confessional, because that is like such a smallest platform for me. I will just go on there and tell all. So for the eyes, I am going to take the MAC Select Cover Up with a Morphe M167 brush and cut the center of my lid. Alright guys, so that was a little bit difficult, I'm not gonna lie, because you know, my lids are very, as Gabriel would say, elephantitis. He calls me elephantitis eyes because I got some extra skin on my eyes and it's a little bit hard. But nonetheless, I'm going to take Brulee from my Glam AF palette with MAC, and I'm going to take it on this flat brush and apply this to the very center of the damn lid. Alright, to blend the halo is looking a little bit harsh right now. I'm going to take a little bit of Swiss chocolate and saddle, and I'm going to blend the edges so it's not so harsh. Alright guys, for liner, as you can see, I already tried it a little bit, but I'm going to take a little bit of basic red acrylic. This is amazing for body paints. I love this for detail work, like eyeliner, and I've been using this ever since I worked at MAC and MAC Pro, and these are so pigmented and rich and fun, but they crack, so try not to layer it too much. But a trick with these, number one, shake it and then dip your product from this little nipple right here. I'm going to use an angled brush today. I forgot to mention, whenever you do liner, pray. Oh, that looks sickening though. Alright guys, so I am going to amp up the liner and make it into a red wing liner. The reason why I put the acrylic on it was because I wanted to have a red base in case there is, little gaps and things. But I'm going to take my Lit Cosmetics liquid base, and I'm going to take this NYX Trio Stack Face and Body Glitter. It's gold, copper, and ruby. I'm going to take the bottom color with this very fine Anastasia brush and apply the liquid, and then put the glitter on top, and hopefully come out with a beautiful, sickening liner. Alright, for mascara, I'm going to take the newest Benefit Bad Gal Bang and apply multiple coats on the top. I'm not going to go with black liner, just a lot of mascara. Next is time for lashes. I found some 2 dusty pairs on the floor and I'm going to pop them on the eye. I'll be right back. Alright guys, the lashes are on. They are so cute. Just be sure to pinch the lashes together because when you open your eyes, you don't want any of the real lashes, your lashes, to show in front of your eyes. That's a big pet peeve of mine. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Make Forever Pro Finish powder in the color 170 and dust it all over my face. This is my favorite part because you get to see the face come to life. Like you dating somebody, like you're with somebody or in love with somebody. But in my case, I'm not. I'm still single, so we're just trying to get that illusion. Give that glowing effect. Get rid of this ash. Get rid of this ash. Make sure your lashes go up, by the way, because you can be looking no musty crusty with some down-ass lashes, okay? And I look cross-eyed. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my Pro Finish powder in the color 128 and beat that face in the highlighter areas. Okay? Alright, y'all. I'm going to take my Gold Getter palette and take Saddle and Swiss Chocolate and smoke out underneath the eyes. I'm not going to tightline because I want to keep it bright and open. And I feel like if you are to go on a date and you want a tightline, unless you want to convey that you're a bad bitch, and I feel like tightlining is more intimidating, but if you guys want a more softer effect, definitely just putting shadow underneath the eye will get the mood across. But if you're trying to take him home and wrestle, tightline your eyes and make sure it's waterproof. So to get this contour going, I'm going to take a little bit of Deep Dark and snatch my face. Carve out them 10 pounds. You're trying to look cute. I love makeup, you guys. So good. It's so good. Snatcherella would not be complete without her nose, okay? So for blush, I thought it was only appropriate to get a NARS blush because they're just so PG. I'm going to take the color Deep Throat for obvious reasons. Go ahead and just run this down the throat, I mean the cheek. And last but not least, for lips, I'm going to take Hover Lip Liner by MAC, and I'm going to take my She Better Work lipstick and She Better Work lip gloss and apply it on the lip so you can deep throat. Just kidding. Alright, y'all, I'm so excited because my makeup is looking good, looking sleek, looking painted. I did use a bunch of setting spray, but moving on, I have a Russian blonde wavy wig by my girls from Hair Are Us. They gave me a wig and I was like, what perfect timing to do a hair tutorial. And Numi partnered with me so I can show you guys how to get beautiful waves and such with this. There we go. Oh my god. We're just gonna push her back. Oh my god. Do y'all like me as a blonde? Am I cute or not? Do I deserve a boyfriend or not? This hair is so cute. It is human hair, which means I can curl it. So today I have partnered with Numi with this 25mm wand. It is so sickening. And you know what? Before we get into it, let me section my hair. I'll be right back. I feel like a real woman. Look at me part my hair. Look at me part my hair like a real woman. Okay, so I partnered with Numi and they sent me this 25mm ceramic iron, curling iron, and it comes with a little glove. So I'm gonna pop the glove on so I don't burn my fingers. And I'm just gonna take the wand and curl the hair away from my face. And you want to leave the ends out and you don't want to curl them all the way. I'm gonna hold it here for a few seconds. And what's great about this, the ceramic is so high quality, it's not gonna burn the hair. It's gonna lock in moisture, especially with wigs or human hair, because you know, you don't wanna damage the hair. You don't wanna be like that girl on Ellen, okay? Yes, curl. I think I'm gonna catch a man tonight. Now, the next one I'm gonna do towards my face. Now I'm gonna take the next piece and do it towards my face. You see that? Guys, and if you're doing this with wigs and you don't want to curl your wig time and time again, this will have your curls lasting all day, and I'm so excited. I will curl my wigs and trust and believe. All I gotta do is just slap it on my leg and it'll last for a month. And the curls just get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I probably won't curl this till next year, to be honest. Next Valentine's Day. Speaking of Valentine's Day, can I just tell y'all that I went on a date with this boy, but it was from Bumble. I said it earlier, but I don't know if it was a date. He just asked if he could take me to lunch, but then it was something quick because we both had somewhere to be, and so we ended up just going to get coffee. But let me just tell you, I was fully painted, and I don't think I've ever discussed this on my channel ever, but I think it's just so hard for someone like me, a man in makeup, to go on dates with other men, because I identify as gay. So I think it's just, I feel like we're having girl talk and like doing our hair, you know, but I think it's just really hard for me to go on dates, because I don't know if all these men understand that, you know, makeup is not all I do. You know, I want them to get to know me. I want them to get to know the real me as I'm wearing a wig and makeup. But it was so nice. It was cute. It was casual, and we got to just chat over coffee. And then I told him that I'm a YouTuber. I hope to God he's not watching. It was cute, and he's a professional, and he's cute, and he's nice. But you know what? I think it was just good for me to get out there, because, you know, I hadn't been living my mantra. Life opens up and you do, and that just kept going through my head. So it was nice to just get out there. Hold on, let me pull out before I burn my hair. And if you're gay or a big girl and you're watching, like, and nothing is happening now, just know that there's a right time, there's a right place for things to pop off. And, you know, never in my wildest dreams I thought I would be doing what I'm doing now on YouTube, having a makeup collection at MAC and doing what I love and walking the red carpet. It's crazy. Like, I just never knew, but I was at the right place at the right time. And I think when it comes to dating, it's like that. And yeah, shout out to Bumble. I need to use Bumble more. If you guys don't know Bumble is like the other app like Tinder. But Nikita told me, she's like, there are better options on Bumble. Leave it to her to tell my ass where the men are. Oh, and also before you start, you want to apply a heat protectant, and I already did so earlier today. And if you're a hairstylist, or if you're in high school and you're watching and you want to like do friends' hair, like, you know, them things are be expensive, and building your kit is expensive. So if you want to get like a curling iron, a hair iron, Nomi has literally everything. And you can use the discount code to snatch it away in. Yeah, so you can use the discount code to snatch all those tools. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Okay, looking like a chubby brown T Swift. Okay. And next you're gonna take a flat brush and just gently brush it up. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how there's so much volume down here from just one little iron? It's so good, and my hair still feels very soft and fresh. It's not crispy. Oh my god, I look hot. I'm gonna go ahead and tease the hair and make it super huge and super big. I'm gonna change and I'll be right back for the finished look. Oh my god, well, my hair is so big, I feel like Tori Kelly. It should have been us. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys get to try it at home. We are serving red glitter liner halo eye using my MAC PatrickStarrr collection, and I am loving this lip combination on my face. It is Hover with She Better Work, because I better work on this date. Hopefully you guys, I get a second date or third date or fourth date with this guy. If not, then that's fine. There's another time and another place and another person out there for me. Do not be discouraged about love. But speaking of love, I do love this hair. I love the way it turned out. If you guys want to snatch the curling wand, the 25mm curling wand, or anything else on the Nomi site, be sure to use the discount code PatrickStarrr to save 20% on everything. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Enjoy eating lots of chocolate. If you're single, more power to you. We will celebrate together. Follow me on all social media. Subscribe to this channel. I love you guys so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.